In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A57 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. First of all, go into settings and scroll to tap on security and privacy. Then click on lock screen. Enter your current screen lock and hit face recognition section. Now wait for this section to show, read it, choose continue and tap on register. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now make sure this switch next to face unlock is blue. Go back and check out if it worked. So when I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it. I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!